we go. Let's see.
Another one.
Huh?
Oh, it's a big one.
He is.
One.
That's a big fatty.
Dude, you fall out of it. You're not that far.
That's a big one.
Uh-oh, what do you have over here?
You got him.
Oh, it's a big one.
You got him.
I'm down. I'm down.
Keep reeling.
I'm done.
No, you're not. You just got reel. Look. Reel up. Keep going. There you go.
Man,
That is a toad.
huh?
That is a toad.
Are you eating that?
That is a pretty bluegill.
Pretty.
Want to kiss him?
No.
Give me a kiss. No?
That's gross.
No.
That's gross.
That ain't gross.
No.
No.
I just nice house this time in my house. I love it. Oh, really?
Almost.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh, really? Another one?
Yep, another one already, dude.
Holy crap.
Holy crap. That
Ah.
that ultralight's fun, isn't it?
Oh, I got this one.
You got him.
Oh, ow. Ow.
Dang, them are some big uns, dude. Those are some big uns.
That's an orange one.
Yeah, he's got an orange belly, don't he?
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
I like orange taste. I like orange. I like it.